Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to help you fix audio stuttering in your Windows 10 or 11. So first, you can go ahead and repair your audio device. Press the Windows Start button and open the settings. From here, select System and then go to the Sound option. Here, choose your input device. Here, choose your correct input and output devices. You can click on this drop-down menu and select any other device that you want to. Or you can also go ahead and click on Manage Sound Devices. Click on any device and then click on Disable and then enable it again. Now test if the stuttering is resolved. You can also go to the sound control panel from the left-hand side, and here select the device that you want to use. Or you can right-click on it and then test it. Also go to Properties. Then after, go to Levels and test the level by using the slider up and down. Close this window, and if the stuttering still continues after repairing, go back to Settings. Again, go to Sound, then go to Advanced Sound option, and here use a slider to check your sound volume. Also go to the Sound Control panel, select your device, then go to Enhancement and check the box of Disable All Enhancements. Click on Apply in the bottom right and then OK and test if the stuttering is resolved. Go back to Settings and select Devices. From here, go to Bluetooth and other devices. From the left-hand side, select Devices and Printers. Find your speaker or headphone in the list and double-click on it. Then go to the Services tab and uncheck the box next to Remotely Controllable Device and click on Apply and then click on OK. Hopefully, one of these methods will help you solve your audio stuttering issue. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.